one button, login. If someone click this login on click, sir, if someone click this login, sir, on click, then the moment they do on click, return one value or dispatch. Now, in this dispatch, what you are giving, dispatch need one object, which is like here you can call one function. If you call function, you are getting object only na, or you can directly give object. Type login है. Type क्या है? Login. Same, I will give one more button. If anyone do this dispatch, it will do type logout. Type what it will do, sir? Logout. Now, sir, if I click this login, dispatch will go to the reducer. Dispatch will go to the reducer. In that reducer, what will be the type value? Login. If the type value is login, what it will become? Is login will become true. Online, is it clear, sir? Online, is it clear, sir? Now I will do it here. I will write it here. I will write it here. In the header, I will write it here. Some kind of const is login equals to use selector state dot is login. If this guy is logged in, I will print it. Here, Prasad. If, sir, I wanted to put conditional rendering, sir. Conditional rendering bole to, if is login is true, I want to print something. If is login is true, I want to print something. What if is login is false? Do I want to print something? No, na. So I will write it here. Braces. Conditional rendering bole to, you will give one value is login. You will give double end. Double end bole to, if the initial value is true, then only the next value will be true. If both are true only, it will come. Imagine the initial value is false, the next one even true it is there, it will not come. So it's false. Conditional logical end, I will tell you. This is called logical end. In React, we call it conditional rendering, but both are same. For example, Prasad is good man and he works hard. I said it like two statements. Imagine he is not a good man. Even though works hard true, the whole statement is false. That is called logical end. In logical end, you will put two statements. Both the statements should be true. Are you getting my point, sir? Sir, here I will put one statement, very simple statement. Simple thing like paragraph. Hi Prasad, I will print. Normally, always HTML element will print. HTML elements will print normally. But imagine first condition is false. Then whole statement will become false na, so it will not print. If first statement is true, it will print. This technique is called conditional rendering. What is it called? Now go here. Sir, am I getting anything? Hi Prasad. Hi Prasad aa gaya. Okay, why that zero disappeared? Right? It should come that zero also na. Why that zero disappeared? Hi Prasad. That is strange. Maybe because of CSS or something kind of one. If I remove all my CSS, it would work. Go here, text.css. Now go here. Now inspect. Shit. Inside this, paragraph 0 is there. If I click login, this paragraph is coming, but inside that nothing is there. See, this paragraph is coming, but when I change the state, it's not coming any value now. So it's that's why it's coming 0. 0 is not coming. So if 0 is also something conditional statement, you can use it. Go here. Where is this header? Where is the header? Here, this count value is coming false. This count value, it is thinking it like nothing value. Why count value is coming nothing? Whenever you are taking the state value, count initial state is there na? We'll just write true. I will just say count, then it would come. Now go here. At least that value will be there. Yes, paragraph is coming. Now see, count 0. When I give this, hi Prasad is coming. But when I click here, log out 1, hi Prasad is not coming na? When I come here, why count value is coming it? It is happening because switch case na reducer. I am dealing both in same reducer na. In both the reducer, what will happen is like both are like when you are doing this reducer one, what is happening? Switch is like switch will run any one line only. When it is running login na, it is not running any remaining lines. Automatically, my initial state is also coming undefined. Arre, there is no value only. So because you are not getting any value, it's coming at nan. Hmm. It will come if you are if you do it like separate one. It's better to do it in separate state. This one is a separate thing. Go here. Function login reducer state equals to initial state, comma action, switch action dot type, then you can do it here. I will just export it here, export my reducer, comma login reducer. I will import it here, both the values in the store, import my reducer, comma login reducer, and here I will use combine reducers. I will combine both the reducers, sir, here, my reducer, comma login reducer. Hmm? Store does not have a valid reducer. Store is having a valid reducer. Object, object. Const main reducer equals to combine reducer. I will combine the reducers. Uh, my reducer, comma login reducer. So I got it one main reducer. This main reducer, I will give it here. That's what it should work. Make sure the argument passed to combine reducer is an object. Oh, combine reducer should take it here an object. That object value should be reducers. Then it will work. The slice reducer for key login reducer returned undefined during the initialization. Why? Because switch statement should have a default value. Without default, you should not write a switch. That will be a problem. Default case, return state. Now it's okay. Why it is not coming now? Now go here. Now inside the state, there are two values. Count and is login. It should come now. Count value is also not coming. But I think you understand the crux now. See, this is the interesting point. When you go more and more depth, the Redux will make it more and more interesting things. I will just print it here. This count value is not coming. So I will just take it here. Something like state. I will just print the state console.log log state. What is coming in the state now initially? I know count is not updated. State is coming. Okay, देखो. State is coming one object. Inside that login reducer is there. My reducer is there. Inside that my reducer, you are having it. Count is login. Okay. So state के अंदर login reducer के अंदर sorry my reducer के अंदर you go here. I will go state के अंदर count. State के अंदर my reducer is there. My reducer के अंदर count. Then it will come. Count 0 is coming. Same thing you have to do here. See, it's updating. Same thing you have to do for this also. Header state के अंदर my reducer and login reducer. Can you see this, sir, now? Login. Online, are you getting my point, ma? Earlier, I put it in one switch now. One switch will return only one value. So here I put it two functions. So can I put it 1,000 reducers? Yes. Why? Because one bank account will not have only one thing. Bank account will store the values, store the values of money, store the values of Prasad details, Prasad address, Prasad phone number. So many things it will store, right or not? Anything you can update it. But for everything, there will be separate rules. If I do deposit money, will it update Prasad phone number? No. For Prasad phone number, alag rules रहता, alag actions रहता. But all the things will be inside one store only. Online, are you getting my point, ma? Online, are you all getting my point? If you really understand this updating here, see, I logged in. Now log out. I was log out. Now see this. My state is updating. Here, can I update multiple states? Yes. Can I see that state in multiple places? Yes. Can I use multiple reducers? Yes. Can I use multiple stores? No. Online, anyone have any question, you can tell me. Online or offline, any question you feel about Redux, you can ask. Because if you understand this, tomorrow it will take it like just 10-20 minutes.